Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sohail Hakamali, and today we discuss Power BI data sources that are most commonly used. In Power BI, the most commonly used data sources fall into several broad categories depending on the use case. Enterprise, crowd, local files. Here are the most ones. Crowd-based services. Microsoft Excel Online. Number 1, Microsoft Excel Online, SharePoint Online, OneDrive, Google Analytics, Salesforce, Azure SQL Database, Azure Blob Storage. After that, we discuss databases: SQL Server, Oracle Database, MySQL, PostgreSQL, IBM DB2, Snowflake, Amazon Redshift. Their files are used: Excel, CSV text file, XML, JSON, PDF for structured data extraction. Also use web data feeds, OData feed, web, HTML table, JSON, APIs are Python scripts for data preparation and transformation. These sources are favored for their integration is scalability and compatibility with Power BI's query and modeling capabilities. Good. This is the diagram of crowd-based services, databases,